Come on, I need more AI, just one more prompt, just one more automation. Okay, maybe I'm a little obsessed, but after what I'm about to show you, you will be too. Remember that part from my last video where we set up Zoho MCP for the first time? And I told you, imagine the possibilities that are open for us now. Well, here they are. And build the entire architecture of the projects for you. You just saved an hour of pure administrative drag. Today we are taking the training wheels off. I'm going to show you how to quickly integrate the top Zoho applications into your AI, turning Claude into your HR director, your project manager, and your chief financial officer. Let's build the ultimate digital employee together. And before I show you the magic, we need to give Claude access to these specific apps. It takes just 10 seconds. Go back to your Zoho MCP dashboard at mcp.zoho.com. So, as I showed in the previous video, where we were setting the connection. Open the server that we created last time and click Add Tools. Last time we used CRM, Calendar and Zoho Mail. Today we are going to search for and check the boxes for Zoho Projects, Zoho People and Zoho Books. Make sure you only select Read, Write permissions and leave the delete option unchecked for safety reasons. Hit save, restart your Claude desktop app and boom, your AI is fully connected now. And now let's see what it actually can do. Let's start with HR, Zoho People. HR departments are drowning in routine paperwork. Let's fix that. Imagine that you just hired a new designer. Instead of spending an hour filling out employee cards, you just open Claude and type. We just hired Sarah Connor as a senior UI designer. Add her as a new employee in Zoho People, starting next Monday. Also, check the leave request for the design department next week to make sure that we have enough people to onboard her. Claude connects to the Zoho People MCP tool, instantly creates her employee profile and then actually audits your company's vacation calendar, warning you if key people are missing or not. Your AI just did an HR audit and onboarding in literally 5 seconds. Next up, Zoho Projects. Setting up a project structure is incredibly tedious. Creating milestones, assigning tasks, setting deadlines. Watch this. I take a messy client brief for a new website. I drop it into Claude and type. Read this brief, go into Zoho Projects and create a new project called Tech Corp Redesign. Create 4 main milestones based on this brief. Assign standard development tasks to the tech team and set the final deadline for 30 days from now on. Claude analyzes the texts, connects to the API and builds the entire architecture of the projects for you. All your team has to do is log in and start working. You just saved an hour of pure administrative drag. And now for the money. Zoho Books. Nobody likes chasing clients for unpaid invoices, right? Let's hand the dirty work over to the AI. Because Claude is connected to Zoho Books, it has a real-time access to your company's financials. You simply ask, fetch all unpaid invoices from Zoho Books that are more than 14 days overdue. Give me a summary of who owes us the most money and draft a polite but firm email reminder for the top debtor. The AI pulls live financial data, calculates the outstanding balances and hands you a perfectly written email ready to send. It acts as an unbiased financial auditor, sitting right on your laptop. Now, using these individual apps is cool, but the true power of MCP is cross-department automation. Watch what happens when I use a single prompt to make the financial app talk to the project and then email the client. I type, check Zoho Books for the invoice from Tech Corp. If the status is paid, go into Zoho Projects and change the website redesign project status from pending to active. Finally, use Zoho Mail to send welcome email to the client saying that we are starting the work today. Do you realize what just happened? The AI checks the accounting department, it saw the money arrived, and it immediately informs the production department by activating the project. It handled the client communication. 3 different departments sync instantly through one AI prompt. We are no longer waiting for the future of work. It is already here. If you're using Zoho and you haven't connected it to an MCP yet, you're doing unnecessary manual labor. And if you're a business owner who wants our agency to build this exact AI system into your company so you can scale faster, click the link in the description box below to book a call with my team. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next AI secret, and I will see you in the next video.